We are in Washington Harbor waiting for our boat ride.
Next to the boat center, there's a stream entering the river. That's Rock Creek. It's also the beginning of the C&O Canal, the Chesapeake and Ohio. The canal follows the Potomac River for 180 feet entrance of the stream. This is the Watergate and carries Route 66 across the river. Statue. This bridge is the Arlington Memorial Bridge and symbolically links the north with the south. Built in 1932, it was a drawbridge at one time and connects Washington with Arlington National Cemetery. Over to the left, you'll see a tall gray tower, which is the old post office, opened in 1899. It currently serves as a luxury hotel. The building's 315-foot high clock tower houses the bells of Congress, and its observation level offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The bells in the tower were a gift from made for the French general whose army played a decisive role in the siege of Yorktown. The third bridge was the site of the 1982 Air Florida plane crash. It was named for Arlen Weems Jr., a passenger on the plane who died saving others from the freezing water. The next bridge is the Fenwick Bridge. It carries a metro across the river and was named for Senator Charles Fenwick of Virginia. The last bridge, known as the Long Bridge, carries a railroad across the river. It was an operating swing bridge at one time until it was hit by lightning, which caused a fire, permanently damaging the bearings on the bridge. The bridge is still in use today and is one of the most heavily traveled routes on the East Coast.